Whenever someone does something good for you and you are happy about it, what do? You appreciate that person by saying thank you. Now, thank you has been used so many times that it has lost its charm. You say thank you, but it appears like something boring stuff and something not very interesting. It doesn't help to build rapport between you and that person. So how do you use a different way of saying thank you? What words can you use? What phrases can you use? And you can mean thank you, but say it in different way and interesting way so that you appear to be a good communicator. You appear to be a person who inspires others. In this video, I am going to share with you 7 friendly and interesting ways to mean thank you without saying the word thank you. Or you can say thank you and after that add these phrases that will make your thank you more effective and powerful, and the friend you are saying thank you to will feel very happy. That's right. So what are you waiting for? Take your notebook and pen to take good notes and let's dive right into it. Here's the first one. You can say, thank you. You make me feel so lucky. What this basically means that you are very lucky to have that person in your life. You are very lucky that he or she is your friend, or he or she is there for you to help you whenever you are there in some problem. So what you will say? Thank you. You make me feel so lucky. Let's take a situation. Suppose you are in a soup. You are in a tight situation and your friend comes along and helps you out of that problem. And you want to thank that friend. Now this friend is very close to you. So you can use this cute phrase to thank that particular friend. You can say, I am doing the happy dance. Thank you. What is it? I am doing the happy dance. Thank you. Which means that you were so much frustrated with this problem. You never knew you could come out of this situation. But this friend comes along and helps you out. And you are feeling so happy that in your mind, you are doing a happy dance. And you want to thank that friend for making you feel that way. So in this case, you can say, I am doing a happy dance. Thank you. Suppose this friend of yours, he or she helps you in completing a task. Maybe you are working on a project or you are in a situation and you needed some external help and you asked this friend and he or she came along and together you worked on that project or in that situation and you overcame that situation or you completed that project successfully, and now you want to thank that person for his or her help. Then what will you say? You can begin with saying thank you so much, and then you can add, I couldn't have done this without you. So what will the full sentence be? Thank you so much. I couldn't have done this without you. Another interesting way of saying thank you to your friend who has helped you out or who has done something for you, and he comes and shares it with you, or he comes and gives you that thing that he or she has completed for you, then you can thank that person by using this phrase, which is, you are an angel. What will you say? You are an angel. A friend of yours goes out of the way to help you out in a problem, and you are like really feeling very grateful and happy that he or she was there to help you out. Then how will you thank that person? You can say, I am touched. What will you say? I am touched. Which doesn't mean that that person has touched you on the body. It means basically that deep inside you are touched. You feel very grateful in your heart and mind that this person was there for you to take you out of this problem. He has gone out of his way to help you out. So in this emotional situation, you can say, I am touched. Now suppose You have this friend who helps you understand a complicated problem. He or she helps you solve that problem or explains to you how to solve that problem. Or he or she teaches you something which was not clear in your mind and now it is clear. So how will you thank that person? You can say, hey, you are the best. What will you say? Hey, you are the best. What this means is that you are telling that person you are so very intelligent, you are so very knowledgeable, and you are appreciating his or her help. So instead of saying thank you, you can say you are the best. Suppose you are in a situation where urgently you need something that you need right now, and you don't have that thing. And here comes your friend, he or she has that thing, and you tell that friend, and he or she gives you his thing for you to use or shares his thing with you for you to use, and you go on with your work and complete that task successfully. And now you have to thank this person. How will you thank this person? You can use the phrase, you are a lifesaver. You are a lifesaver, which doesn't mean that he or she has saved your life. What it literally means is that in that particular situation, it was a very dire situation. You wanted to complete this task, but you didn't have that tool. And here he comes and he shares his tool with you, and you are able to complete it, and you are able to submit that thing, or you are able to do that thing on time. So he or she has saved your life in that particular moment. He has helped you out of that situation. And so you can say this phrase, you are a lifesaver. And then maybe if you want, you can add thank you. Or you can say, thank you, you are a lifesaver. So these were the 7 interesting and friendly ways in which you can mean thank you and say thank you. Hope you enjoyed this video and you will put into practice whatever you have learned today. What are other ways to say thank you? Do you know of any other way in which we can say thank you? Please put that in the comment section so that we all can learn more ways of saying thank you. And also, which was your favorite replacement of thank you in whatever we have learned in this video? Please put that also in the comment section. And I will catch you in the next video with yet another interesting and fascinating topic on improving your communication skills.